Okay, hello again everyone. My name is Teacher Kyron, and in this lesson we're still continuing with the work from the previous lesson where we are reviewing all that we've done under this theme called school. Okay, so in the last lesson we went over our school's objects, the classroom objects. We wrote down the names of our classroom objects and we are able to answer in a full sentence. Okay. So in this lesson we're still going to continue going over all that we've learned thus far. Okay, so let's look at this activity. So it says true or false. Read the text and tick if the text is true or false. Okay, so let's look. So we need to look at the picture and see if the text in blue is true or false. Okay, so let's look at the picture. It's a picture of a girl that has a paintbrush and some paint. Okay, now let's read the text. It says, my favorite subject is PE. Do you think this statement or this text is true or false about the picture? Okay, so let's discuss. In which subject do you have your paintbrush and paint? In art. Good. In the subject called art. Okay, and in the subject PE or physical education, what do you learn? You learn about exercise and sports. Okay, so the picture is a girl with a paintbrush and paint, and my favorite subject is PE. So this text is false. Okay, so we need to put a tick in the false box. Okay, let's look at the next picture. So it's a picture of a boy that's sitting down and has a book in his hand, and behind him there is a chalkboard that has numbers on it. Okay, it says, let's read the text. My favorite subject is math. Okay, is this true or is this false? What do you learn in math? Good, you learn how to add, subtract, multiply and divide. You're always dealing with numbers, so this must be true. Okay, so we need to put a tick in the true box. Okay, so let's read the text from the top. What's your favorite subject? Okay, so we have a list of words on the side. We need to choose the correct word and write it down. Okay, so 1. What's your favorite? What's your favorite subject? Okay, so what's your favorite subject? Okay, let's call this number 1, number 2 and 3. Number 2, so it's got space, favorite subject is. Okay, so what do you think is missing? So it'll be my favorite subject is. What do you think his favorite subject is? It is a picture of a paint and a paint brush. So his favorite subject is art. And number 3, my favorite subject is. Okay, and it's a picture of a girl with a picture of a soccer ball. So in which subject do we play sports or soccer? In PE. So my favorite subject is PE. Let's move on to the next thing that we learned. Next thing that we learned was the days of the week. So let's complete the chain. So there's a picture of a train, okay, and the carriages have got the days of the week on them. So which day comes next? Let's call this number 1 and number 2. Which day comes next? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, now Monday. Okay, and how do you spell Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y. Okay, and then the second train in blue, it has Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and what comes after Tuesday? It is Wednesday. Okay, and then quickly, what comes after Wednesday? Thursday, and what comes after Thursday? It is Friday. Okay, and after Friday is Saturday, and after Saturday is Sunday. And then the last thing that we learned was our timetables. Okay, so this is a picture of Tom's timetable. He has Monday, art and science. Tuesday he has music and art. On Wednesday he has art and English. On Thursday he has physical education and music. And on Friday he has music and English. So our question is, when does Tom have science? He has science on Monday.